See, people often think, especially freelancers, that they need more skills in order to make more money. Who said you need more skills to make more money? Say more talent, more money. No, it's wrong. I will show you in a second by proving you wrong. You don't need more skills. You just need a personal brand that sells automatically. I will explain that for you. Okay. So if you observe, I've written clearly you don't need more skills. You need a personal brand that sells. Person one, person two. Okay. Let us imagine this guy has 10 skills. This guy is having one problem solving. Whom do you think will have a more weightage? The guy which has 10 skills or the guy which is having one problem solving skill? Obviously, people look at who are the one that can solve the current problem what I am facing as a freelancer. That is what from starting every video I'm telling you this. Please go very niche specific. Find out a huge problem what that industry is facing and try to solve it. You're getting my point? So to find that, you simply need to go to ChatGPT and type this prompt. Hi, my name is Virender. I help saloon owners to go from 0 to 100K on Instagram with content marketing services. I want to know the top 5 problems, especially this industry is facing. You'll get the problems. Then again ask ChatGPT same question, that out of these 5, which is the biggest problem that people are ready to pay a lot to solve it? You've got the problem already. You getting my point? You've got the problem. Try to solve it. Viru, is it easy to solve? Who said it is easy to solve? Absolutely, it is not easy to solve. That's why people will pay you more if you solve it. You're getting my point? Instead, you do two things. Okay. Imagine person one is selling social media management. Okay. Like posting on time, scheduling on time, posting stories, engaging in the comment section, DMing them, or handling the DM, versus this guy is selling only one skill. Zero to 100K in next 6 months. If I am the saloon owner, I will 100% go to person two because it is more leisure and niche specific instead of a random or a broad social media management services. You're getting my point? You don't need more skills. You need a personal brand that sells because people look at problem two, person two. I mean, all right. Now imagine what client look at. The amount of talent you have or the results you bring in. There is the answer. It only matters whether you can bring the result to them or not. You are a result oriented guy or not. That should only build via personal brand. Go more niche specific and start creating content and try to help them. Okay. I don't look at how many years of experience you have. Let us imagine you're a fresher and you worked with a client and you solve the problem versus a 10-year experience guy, a talented guy, but not result oriented. I'm not a fool to go with 10-year guy who is not a problem solver, but has an experience of 10 years. Rather, I'll go with the 6 or 3 months old freelancer who's more into problem solving. You're getting my point? That's what exactly we need. Is it clear? So always focus on one skill, one problem, one solution. Enough. Your freelancer career is trust. Is set. Trust me. Okay, that's how you build a great freelancing business career, because freelancing is no less than a business. The results you bring in, right? So that's the most important things which you need to look at. And let us go to client discovery call now. I already explained this. I'll give you 5 important things before you go to a discovery call. In the discovery call, if you're a beginner who don't know about these 5, you can stay. But if you don't know about this, you can listen. But if you already know it, you can leave in this masterclass, because this I've already explained this to you. Okay, so only 5 stages are required when it comes to especially client discovery call. Okay, the need, desire, trust, and urgency. You're getting my point? These are the only 5 things required when it comes to client discovery call. The first one is need. Identify whether they have a need of that product or not. If they do not have a need, nobody will purchase. Imagine I do not have a need of a cycle right now because I already have a motorcycle. So I do not have a need of cycle, and I don't think so I'll purchase the cycle right now. Maybe you can tell me health benefits, that this, but I do not have that need at this moment, but in future I might be having. So identify in the call whether they have a need or not. After calling them, hi, my name is Virender sir. So I got your inquiry that you're looking for social media services. By any chance, do you have a immediate requirement or not? If they say no, I do not have any immediate requirement, I'll call you back later. Keep on postponing, not lifting the calls, telling right now I don't need. So it's clearly stating that they do not need your product right away. They do not need your services right away. Next, it could be desire. The first step you passed after calling this. Hi Viru, my name is Suraj and I'm calling from Indore. That I see that you have a requirement of content marketing services. Is that true? Yes. If I say yes, pass. You've passed the need. Okay, you pass the need. Next, desire. Desire in the sense, the wish or the excitement about that. Okay, so if you observe on my phone, on my laptop, always I have a Land Rover Defender car placed because I want to purchase that, but I love that car from the BTEC itself. I love that car. So it's costing me 2.3 or 2.4 crores. Somewhere down the line, 5 years or 10 years, maybe I don't know, I want to purchase that. So I have a need. If somebody asks, do you need Land Rover Defender? Yeah, why not? Do you need it immediately tomorrow? Yes, I need it. So desire that. Okay. Then next, trust. Imagine. But in the third sentence, you said it is Land Rover Defender copy from a China company called Defender. Do you need that? Do you think that I can trust some China company called Defender? Absolutely not. It could be not from China, anywhere from it. Okay. Model is same, everything is same. Like previously, how we explained the banana example of iPhone versus banana, Apple versus banana. Okay. So I do not have trust, I lost it. So here as a freelancer, if you identify need and the client is so much desiring, are you able to provide trust to him? Everything revolves around the trust and authenticity. If somebody shared Trader School, okay, profile with you, stating, hey, this is good freelancing community, join it. You will have a no second thought, you will join it. Because you trust your friend a lot. Whatever they are saying, you will trust again. So trust is the most important thing. For this, you need to bring testimonials, client testimonials, so that people will have a trust on you. Next, taking my example again, I have a need, I have a desire, I have a trust, stating that yes, it is from Land Rover Defender only. But Viru, you need to pay 2 crores. After discount, we are giving 30 lakhs. Are you can give me 50 lakhs discount also, though I'm not able to purchase. Even you give 1 crore discount also, I'm unable to purchase because I do not have that money. They have a money or not. Check that. They have a money or not. Check that. That's the most important thing. You identify, sir, what's your monthly marketing budget? If I'm not wrong, how much do you have spent in the last 3 months? What is month on month increment on your marketing budget? How much do you want to spend in the next 3 months? If they say like last 3 months, we spent couple of, I guess, 3,000 rupees, roughly 1,000 rupees per month. Huh. Okay, sir. We work with clients who has a minimum marketing budget of 1 lakh and above, sir. So sorry for that. That's it. You can get the call. Don't waste time there. Look at they have money or not. Last, urgency. Let us take again my example. Okay. Here, the client is defender and stating, Viru, you have need, you have desire, you have trust, you also have money to purchase Land Rover Defender, but we only left with one Defender. Again, to get this Defender in India, it will take 1.5 year time. Do you want to book right away? Yes. I don't want to wait another 1 year. Book it right away. Urgency matters. Are you able to create urgency in front of the client? Now taking your example again. What is your example? This is, hi client, just wanted to give you a heads up that we only work with 6 clients in a calendar year or a financial year. We already working with 5 clients right away. For the next financial year, we only going to lock 1 client. So do you want to book a strategy call or a consultation call or paying an advance? That's how you create. Oh, you're a premium agency. You only work with 6 clients. Already you're working with 5 clients. Already only 1 slot left. That's the discovery call. Nothing else matters. What is the pitch? What is how to pitch them? How to do that? All you can find in ChatGPT. Okay. So this is how you need to do this. And you can practice cold calling, cold emailing, cold structure, direct mock calls, auditing calls, everything inside ChatGPT. ChatGPT has a voice feature where you can ask ChatGPT that, hey ChatGPT, please talk like a client, salon owner, where you're looking for content creation services. I'm a freelancer with beginner, no clients previously. I want to talk to you for a cold call. Will you help me out? It will talk. It will shoot questions. You need to answer. It will shoot questions. You need to answer. That's how you will build more. Got it?